Let's make a colorful and delicious sushi cake together. It's simple, fresh, and guaranteed to look amazing. Before we begin, make sure all the ingredients are prepared and ready to go. Time to rinse the rice. Give it a good wash until the water is clear. Then cook it up nice and fluffy. Open the can of tuna and drain out all the excess liquid. Next, slice the cucumber thinly into even pieces. Once the rice is cooked, let it cool slightly before using. Next, pour in the sesame oil, add the furikake and black sesame seeds, and gently mix until all the ingredients are well blended and the rice is coated with flavor. In another bowl, add the tuna and mayonnaise, then mix well until fully combined. Next, prepare your serving plate and place a cookie cutter on it. This will help you shape the dish neatly and make it look more presentable. For the first layer, add 2 tablespoons of the rice mixture into the cookie cutter and gently press it down. Next, layer the sliced cucumber evenly over the rice. Add the tuna mixture on top of the cucumber layer, then gently press it down to hold the shape. Finish it off by adding the last layer of rice mixture, then press it down firmly to keep the shape nice and neat. Carefully lift the cookie cutter straight up and you'll have a nice and clean stack. To finish, decorate the top of your sushi cake with a few colorful edible flowers for a fresh and elegant look. Your sushi cake is all set, beautiful, colorful, and absolutely delicious. Serve it and enjoy. Save this video and follow for more.